Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. So first of all, open your Revolut application on your phone. Once the app is open, you will see this on your dashboard. From here, all you have to do is click on the crypto on the top tabs. You will see card, stocks and crypto. You have to click on crypto. So from here, you will see your cryptocurrency in this section. So if you want to transfer crypto, you have to select that specific cryptocurrency. A new page will open. It will show you some multiple options like buy, sell, stake and send. You have to click on send. You have now two options. You can either send it to your friends which are also on Revolut, or you can also add your external crypto wallet. To add your external wallet, all you have to do is click on add crypto recipient. Now you have to type your crypto address and your wallet name and hit continue, and you have successfully transferred crypto to external wallet from Revolut application. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.